In this video you will discover what storytelling in marketing is and how storytelling can help you build stronger connections with your customers. Telling compelling stories to promote and sell products is nothing new. However, storytelling in content marketing is one of the biggest facets of building stronger customer connections. Whether you own your own business or work as a professional marketer, understanding storytelling marketing is essential. Writing engaging stories can improve your customer relationships, increase engagement with your brand, tell your brand story, and give you a competitive advantage in the industry. Familiarizing yourself with storytelling and the benefits of storytelling marketing can help you determine what strategy is right for your next campaign. In this article, we'll review the storytelling process and how you can craft stories for your business. Storytelling is an important aspect of any brand strategy and can help you showcase your brand values so you can connect with your customers on a deeper level. Continue watching to learn more about storytelling in marketing and how to create a storytelling strategy that is right for your business. What is storytelling in marketing? When it comes to marketing, visual branding and storytelling go a long way in establishing how others view and interpret a company. Telling a story and establishing a narrative is essential for all modern brands so you can engage with customers and share your brand's mission. The ability to craft a well-woven narrative into the storytelling arc of your marketing campaign can drastically change how your business is interpreted. From using comedy to real-life dramatic elements, there are plenty of ways to introduce storytelling into marketing today. In our next video we will explore why brand storytelling is important for building customer connections. Thanks for watching. See you next time.